Hello guys, so today I want to show how I use long trouser. How I use long trouser. The long trouser, any long trouser that you have that you want to use to turn it to, maybe you want to use it to sew for your son. So this one, the size is, as you can see, the size, if you can see it. So this is the size of this one. So it's growing up somebody. So this trouser, this long trouser, if you want to use it to sew like a 4-year-old child or 5 years old, so the way it is now, long trouser like this. So I want to just to show how long it is. So this one that I use already, I said let me make the video maybe to help somebody out there. So see the one that I already cut, you just straight it. So this one that I already cut, let us check the size of this one. This one size, see the size, very big. Oh. So if you can see the size, so you can see the size of this one that I want to use to sew for 5 years, 4 years and some months baby. So I want to use it. I already measured it, so you just straight it very well, like this. So if you want to sew it, you jam this place, you jam it together, you turn it, you jam it together, put it the same length like this, so you can see it like this. So after you have straightened it, you will now take the trouser that you have before. As you can see, the trouser that you have before. So you just take the trouser like this, you just press it, just straight it like this, just straight it like this, just straight it. So this place, you just hold it, open it little, just open it like this. You are now measure it. So don't know if you can see it, so you can use your hand to draw that side, just like this. As you can see it, just draw this side also, draw it to reach that place. So if you check the waist, you will not take like pencil. You will not take pencil. This one, you straight it like this, put it, straight it very well, put it very well, this way. After you have measured it, like this, after you have pressed it, measure this one, you put it like this, you see. So this one will be like this, after you have straight the trouser. After you have straight it, you will not take pencil. As you can see, I already mark here. You will not take pencil. You will not take pencil. You will not mark it so that it will be easier to sew. Just take pencil to mark it like this. Mark it. As you can see, the color, the red color of the pencil that I use. You see? So you just press it like this. Just mark it. Just mark it like this till down, and the length here, just mark it. This side also, you just mark where it reach like this. You just mark it. As you can see, the pencil, the colored pencil that I use, just mark it from here. The length of the trouser, just mark it, reach down also, reach where the trouser is. So after you have done that, you now you will now cut it. But this place, this side for the corner, this side you will not cut it, so don't cut it. Just use pencil to mark it so that you will know. So if I want to sew it now, I will sew little from here. I will sew here like this, from here, inside here, so that it will not too much big, or just sew it down like this. Just little, just sew it, like you see this thing that doing your hair, you just sew them and little like this, straight it very well and sew it. So after that, this place you now use sewing machine also. From this place you now put it together the same length. You now sew it from here till down. So after that you now fold, just fold it just once like this. You now sew it, just fold it like this, fold it little also, just fold it little once, just aim it, just sew it. So after you don't sew everything, you now take scissors. After you have sew it together, you now take scissors. You now use scissors to trim out the excess that left. You now trim before you trim it, so that you will not do mistake. For the other side also, after you have sewn it, reach down, you now trim it also. This inside here, you will not trim it here also. After you have sewn it round like this as you want, after you have sewn it like this, you now use scissors also to trim the excess. So that is it. So it's not hard at all. Let me show you the one I sew before. So this one is the one I sew for him. You see the way it come. So this one is the one I sew for him. After I have sewn it and now trim it, just use the one hand to straighten it. You see the way it come. You see it. You see it. The way it now come. You see the way I aim the leg. Just once. See him? See him? Now trim the excess. See the way the trouser come. So this one is the one that I sew. See it? This one is the one that I sew. See, where you test it is very good. See it? See it? See the way it is? See the way it is for 4 years, and so you see the back. You see? You even wear one of them to go to school, to go to kindergarten now, you see. So that is it, how to make it, see. So now we have many trousers, see them? The way it come, see them? So from long trouser, I make this, you see. I make this, see. So that is it. Any trouser you want, you buy the trouser, you can use it to sew for your child. If it is a baby girl also, you can buy big, maybe you have big skirts, you can use that big skirt. Or that maybe if you reach you to sew 2 or 1, you cut it to a size, you sew it also. It's very good. You see the way it comes? See it? So that is it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.